Hey y'all, welcome back to my channel and welcome back to another bathroom cleaning Vlogtober video. I am breaking these up into 3 different videos because I've got 3 bathrooms in my home. Well, I've got 2 full baths and 1 half bath, and the first one I did was the half bath. So if you didn't catch that one, go back and check that one out. I'll have it linked down below along with my Vlogtober playlist as well. And today's bathroom is the kids' bathroom. Now, I did film all 3 bathrooms in the same day. I'm just breaking it up into 3 different videos. You can still see that I have a Snowflake stickers on their mirror, and it has been almost 2 years since I put those there. I put those there on my first ever Christmas clean and decorate video that I did in 2022, and I finally got the ones in the half bath off like a few months ago. Sometime early spring, I think, is when I finally got it off there. I can't remember when exactly. I posted like an Instagram story about that. I was like, oh, I finally got these off. But yeah, they're still on the kids' mirror, and most of it, I mean, they're coming off kind of, sort of. Every time I clean the mirror, I've noticed that some of them are just kind of wiping off just a tiny bit, not a ton. So I really need to just get those off of there, and maybe it will start feeling slightly cleaner in their bathroom. Their bathroom is the one that gets the dirtiest the fastest. It gets crazy in this bathroom, and even the shower curtain has been like falling off of the rod as well, like especially the shower liner more than anything. And they even got like paint all over themselves one day several weeks ago, and when I was washing them, they got paint all over the shower curtain. So I've yet to take it down and wash it. I'm just like, ugh, whatever. It keeps getting so messy in this bathroom. I feel like this is the hardest bathroom to keep clean. I really need to get back on my little bathroom cleaning rotation schedule that I was on before. I felt like things just felt so much cleaner when I was doing that. However, yeah, I fell off of that. I said that in the last bathroom cleaning video as well. But here I decided it is time to get this like bath shower combo thing scrubbed down somewhat. I didn't go super deep clean on it. I just needed to scrub some of it off because it was getting really gross looking. And it looks a little bit better now. It's not perfect, but it's done for the moment. And then we're gonna move on and do the sweeping of the floor, which is kind of relaxing to sweep. Why don't I do it more often? I don't know. Like I said in the last one, floors are just not my strong suit, and now that I think about it, it's kind of relaxing in a way, sweeping. At least the bathroom, because the bathroom is pretty small, so I can handle the bathroom with sweeping the floors. That's not so bad, especially the half bath and the kids' bath. Our bathroom though, the master one, which will be the next cleaning video that I post, it's probably not gonna be tomorrow's. I'm kind of sprinkling them out around, and so they're not the exact same type of video every single day. But yeah, we have a little bit more floor space in our master bath. But now that I got all of that stuff done, I'm just moving things back onto their sink here, and I saw a couple of spots that needed a touch up that I missed, so I'm just going back over that with some toilet paper and some water. Now, this bluey step stool I found at Hobby Lobby one day because I saw something blue. I was like, what is this? And I got it out. I was like, oh my gosh, it's a step stool, exactly what my son needs so he can reach the sink better. So I got it, and it needed a good wipe down because I noticed there was just stuff all over it from the kids, like toothpaste and soap, whatever, all kinds of stuff. So, all right, just when I think I am done with this bathroom, I realized that I totally forgot to put a towel in here for them, and their towel ring holder is broken, so I had to put it on the door. But all right, that is it for this video, and I will see you guys tomorrow in the next video.